Dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, a problem is solved on computation of income from other sources. Kindly watch the video till then, like it, share. If you have any comments about the video, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. This is a problem on a computation of income from other sources. So now let's go for taking the problem here. So there again one more simple problem. Let me stretch here. From the following particulars of Mrs. Sudha Kulkarni, compute her income from other sources for the assessment year 2021. So the details are as below here. Interest on tax-free debentures of Ashoka Company Limited, rupees 36,000. B here, interest on 18% debentures in the bracket unlisted of Kirloskar Limited, rupees 1 lakh. Then interest received on government securities, rupees 15,000. Then D, winnings from lotteries, rupees 1,40,000. In the bracket it is given as net. Then E, rupees 10,000 paid for purchase of lottery tickets, and rupees 1,000 paid for collection charges for interest. So this is a very simple problem here that is given. Now let's have a discussion over this here. So interest on tax-free debentures, as the name tax-free appears in the problem here, it is to be compulsorily crossed up here. Then interest on debentures unlisted of Kirloskar Limited. So these are less tax commercial securities. So as the amount of investment is given, so there is no need of crossing up here. Then interest received on government securities is chargeable tax. Then winnings from lotteries, which is given as net here, we need to find out the gross income here. Then rupees 10,000 paid for purchase of lottery tickets, which is not deductible here. Then rupees 1,000 paid for collection charges, which is deductible here. So now let's go for computation of income from other sources. So name of the assessee. Name of the assessee, Mrs. Sudha Kulkarni. Then previous year 2019-20. Then assessment year 2021. So let me insert 3 columns here. So particulars, rupees, then rupees. So now let's start the first item here. This is a very simple problem here. So interest on tax-free debentures of Ashoka Company Limited. So here the gross income equals to net income multiplied by 100 divided by, so let me underline here this 100 here, hundred and sorry, so let me type once again here. Interest on tax-free debentures of Ashoka Company Limited. So here gross income equals to net income multiplied by 100. So let me underline here, underline, divided by so here the rate of interest here, it is the rate of TDS is 10%, so 100 minus 10, so it comes to 90 here. So now let me substitute the values in this formula so that we are going to arrive. So rupees 36,000 into 100 divided by, so let me underline here again, divided by 90 here, 90. So 90 here. So we are going to have 40,000 here. So 0 get cancelled here, 9,000. So 40,000 here. Then the next one here, interest on debentures of Kirloskar Limited. So these are less tax commercial securities. Simply we should calculate here. So 10% of, sorry, not 10, it is 18%. So 18% of rupees 1 lakh, which is the amount of investment. So that comes to rupees here 18,000. Then the next one here, interest received on government securities. So it is given as rupees 15,000 here. So 15,000. Then we should calculate in now it is winnings from lotteries. So again here we have given the net income, so we need to find out the gross income equals to net income multiplied by 100. So let me underline here, so to divide this here. So the rate of TDS is 30%. So 100 minus 30, so that we are going to arrive as a 70 here. So 70. So now let's substitute the values in the above formula so that we are going to arrive. So rupees 1,40,000 into multiplied by 100. So let me divide this here, divided by, so here it is 70 here, 70, that comes to, so now it comes to 2 lakhs here. So very simple. So 2 lakh. So 2 lakhs here. So this much is over now. So now let's take the total here. 40 plus 33, 73, 2,73,000 here. 2,73,000. Once again you can check it out. 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 7, 2. So it is a gross income less expenses or deduction under section 57. So only we can deduct only the collection charges paid here. So collection charges paid. So that is given as rupees 1000 here. So now let me take the next column here. So it is 1000 rupees we should deduct here. So 1000. So 1000. Then income from other sources that comes to 2,72,000. Then the next one here, note, we should provide note because cost, note number 1, cost of lottery tickets. Cost of lottery tickets is not deductible, as it is it is a casual income, so that's why it is not deductible here. Then interest on tax-free debentures. Tax-free debentures is to be grossed up. Here, grossed up. Then number 3, it is less tax securities, so it need not be grossed up here. So this is how we need to answer to this question here. So this is a very simple here. Thank you.